In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zoom. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to zoom.com. Make sure you're on the official Zoom website and not a lookalike. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox will make the process smoother. On the homepage, look for the option that says Sign Up, it's free, and click it. This begins the account creation process for a basic Zoom account, which is perfect if you're just getting started. If the wording is slightly different, such as sign up free, it's the same button. Next, Zoom will ask for your date of birth. This isn't shared on your profile. It's used to confirm eligibility and tailor compliance settings. Select your birth year from the drop-down, then continue. After that, you'll be asked for your email address. Enter an email you can access right away because Zoom will send a verification code to that inbox. Double check that you've typed it correctly before proceeding, as a typo will prevent you from receiving the code. Once you submit your email, head to your inbox and look for the message from Zoom with your verification code. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute or two in case of delays. When the code arrives, return to the Zoom page and enter it exactly as shown. Codes are time sensitive, so try to complete